Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to do something very different. I'm going to try something on my hair. So as you know, my hair is very curly. So naturally it tends to get very dry. On top of that, I have colored hair, so it becomes even more dry. And actually it's time for my monthly hair spa session, but it's really raining outside. So I thought I'll do something at home itself. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this banana. I am going to mash it along with some aloe vera gel and some honey. So somebody told me that all these items are really good for the hair. It adds a lot of moisture. It's good for dry hair. So I've never done this before. I'm really nervous. I'm keeping my fingers crossed. So let's see how it turns out. Please keep watching. The DIY hair mask is ready, and I'm going to just wet my hair a little bit before I apply this. So I've wet my hair. I'm going to apply the mask only on the length of my hair and not on my scalp. So I wash my hair and I use the L'Oreal 6 Oil Nourishing Shampoo and Conditioner. So I followed the reverse method. I first used the conditioner so that it was easy to detangle my hair and get rid of those chunks that were present, the banana chunks. So I used the conditioner first, hardly kept it for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then washed it off using the shampoo. So now let's see how my hair looks like. I'll take off this t-shirt of my hair, squeeze out the extra water, then taking my L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Serum, my hair definitely feels much softer and very moisturized, but let's wait for a couple of hours and let my hair dry out a little bit more, and let me update you guys after that. So as you can see, there's a lot of banana chunks still sticking to my hair. Hopefully once my hair is dry and I brush it through, they will fall out, or maybe in a couple of days I'll have to wash my hair again. I don't know. So let's see. So my hair is about 70% dry right now, and it is definitely feeling very soft and very moisturized. I'm really liking the feeling I'm getting when I'm touching the hair, and there's no smell as such apart from a slight aloe vera smell, which is actually nice, so I don't mind. So overall, I think we can say that the experiment was a success. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. And also put in the comments what kind of videos would you like me doing in future for you guys. And take care. Have a nice day. Bye bye. See you in the next video.